Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this strip lah. Okay, very simple as you can see. First you may upload something like this lah, a paper with strip. Okay, then we come to here. This one I use ceiling function to create. Okay, after done already, we just go for upload here, texture. Okay, then just drag only. You can drag first, apply all first, never mind. Then later when you want to adjust something like this or adjust something like this, okay, we can click on here, click on this one, double click on it, okay, click on this one. You may see here got the material, you can adjust. Okay, so let's adjust the texture. Okay, minimize. This one at the texture, maybe I rotate a bit lah, a bit like 90 degree. No, 45, something like this. Okay, but the picture, where is the picture? Okay, 45. Let me try 360 minus 45 opposite way. 60 minus 45, 3150. Okay, 315. Then will become something like this. Okay, so another part here. This one you can just adjust yourself lah. This one 45, something like this. Okay. So thanks for watching. Bye.